Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss how to change the context for a DAX measure from a row context to a filter context. So let's start. So in this video, I'll just put this into focus mode first. We essentially created a measure. We wanted to find the highest sales for a given day during the whole year. So let's say on the 1st of June, maybe 2010, you sold the highest so you had the highest sales for the whole year. So we wanted to figure that out, and we wrote a DAX function here. And essentially what we've got here is, let me just focus on that. So we're using iterator functions, and all we're doing is we're using the we're saying, hey, for all the days in the dim date table, go and find me the maximum sales amount for any given day. For any given year. And when we put it here, what it does is that for 2011, the context is a row context. So it sums up all the values. So it starts in dim date table, finds out all the rows in the dim date table which have the year as 2011, and then it goes into the fact internet sales table from there and picks out all the rows and sums it up. So it essentially gives us the same value as the sales amount. Now, how do we change the context so we can get the maximum sales for any given year? So let's start. How do we do that? So all we're going to do is we'll create a new measure, and I'll take you through that measure as well. And all essentially we've done is we've changed the context to a filter context by using related table. So let me just paste this here, and you can see it's the same formula. All we've changed is that in place of fact internet sales table, we've used a related table. And what it does is it changes the context to filter context, so you get the right value. So it calculates and filters out the maximum value for any given time. So what I'll do is I'll just drag this one and put it here. And you can see here now that we are able to get, so this is giving me 55,454. So let's just scroll down a bit here, and you can see, so it's 38,241 for first quarter, 55,454 for second quarter, and so on and so forth. So if we drill down, I'm pretty sure we'll find this value. So let's just drill down a level, and so now we were after so we've got quarter to 55,454, and we will maybe go down a bit more. And you can see that the month of June has had the highest sales, and if we scroll through it, we will find that it is on the 19th of June that we had the highest sales for 2011. So essentially, we just need to understand the context of how an iterator is calculating, and sometimes when our context is a row level context, we might not get the right values. So then we essentially need to change the context to a filter level context from a row level context to get the right values. So in this video, we've essentially had a quick look at how to enable a filter level context and not a row level context, and that might give us the right values in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.